Summertime, what's everyone's favorite sandwich? I'm gonna say lobster roll. First thing that I wanna do is butter toast my Martin's potato roll. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna turn this a couple times in the butter, then we're just gonna set that and let that toast. And I'm gonna take some lobster. We're gonna make a little bit of lobster salad. Season it with a little bit of onion and celery, just a little bit so you crunch down on a little something. Flip that over, you gotta keep turning that bun. And you should use a soft, sweet, yeasty roll. Just a hint of lemon juice and just enough mayonnaise, in this case homemade mayonnaise, to gloss it. So that's like a healthy tablespoon. A little salt, a little pepper, and just combine. You don't want to see any mayonnaise at the bottom of that bowl. Delicious. I want to make some beautiful brown butter for a different kind of lobster roll. So we're going to use the thermal momentum of that pan. We just want a little toasted butter goodness where the solids are starting to cook up in there and turn color. So we just have a little bit of nutty goodness in there. Lobster roll number one is ready to rock and roll. Second lobster roll. Take some lobster, mound it into your roll. When I season this with warm butter, I want to make sure some of those toasty little bits get down in there. Just put a little herb there. So there you have it, the state of Maine's finest. Lobster rolls two ways. I say do both.